welcome back to my channel. I am CSJAS. How are you all? I hope you all are good and preparing for your CA, CS, CMA exams in whichever attempt you're going to sit. So I'm here to announce that I give free special live classes daily at 7 p.m. for company law and JIGL. So you can come up and take the classes even if you are a CA, CS, CMA student and your syllabus matches with the one whichever I am teaching, because ultimately तो syllabus सबका एक जैसा ही होता है. So I am here to announce another two special live classes today and on 14th, that is Monday. So these classes will be on 11th and 14th sharp at 7 p.m. These classes are totally free of cost, as you can unlock the classes by using my code CSJAS. Other than that, we are going to start chapter number 4, that is General Clauses Act of JIGL, and I'm super duper happy that we have completed 3 chapters of JIGL and 3 chapters of company law as well. Both are at par. This chapter is of General Clauses Act. So today we will be finishing, that is on 11th at 7 p.m. we will be finishing the last portion of the 3rd chapter of company law, and today we will be discussing about shareholders democracy and shareholders agreements. This is the last topic of the chapter of members and shareholders, and on 14th we will start the JIGL's chapter number 4, that is General Clauses Act, and we will be discussing the introduction, definitions and applicability of General Clauses Act. So make sure you join the sessions if you want to prepare for CS, CA or CMA exam and these topics resonate with your syllabus as well. And दोनों ही classes के class links आपको नीचे description box में मिल जाएंगे. Make sure you click on them and click notify me so that before the class begins you get a notification. And if you plan to get any subscription from unacademy, use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. The batch links are also in the description box below. Click on them and get subscription and avail the discount of flat 10% by using my code CSJAS. So looking forward to see you all today and on 14th sharp at 7 p.m. Unlock my classes by using my code CSJAS. Bye.